Good day everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's your mate Shyam Thapa, and today we're diving into the heart of a nation that's more than just kangaroos and koalas. We're uncovering the secrets behind Australia's remarkable success on the world stage. From its booming economy to its breathtaking landscapes and laid-back lifestyle, Australia has captured the hearts and minds of people worldwide. From its vibrant economy to its stunning natural beauty, let's uncover the top 10 reasons why Australia stands out on the world stage. Ready? Let's go! First up, let's talk about Australia's economic muscle. For nearly 3 decades, Australia has experienced continuous economic growth, a feat envied by many developed nations. From mining giants extracting resources from the vast outback to bustling cities driving innovation in finance, technology, and services, Australia boasts a robust and adaptable economic landscape. Australia is a major global supplier of iron ore, coal, and natural gas, fueling industries worldwide. Australia has also become a leader in renewable energy, with vast solar and wind farms harnessing the power of the Australian sun and wind. This unique blend of economic strength and social well-being truly sets Australia apart. Now let's talk about the brains behind the brawn, Australia's world-renowned education system. Institutions like the University of Melbourne, the University of Sydney, and the Australian National University consistently rank among the global elite, attracting the brightest minds from every corner of the globe. From early childhood education to postgraduate studies, the Australian education system emphasizes critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving essential skills in today's rapidly evolving world. Australian universities are vibrant hubs of research and innovation, pushing the boundaries of knowledge in fields ranging from medicine and science to engineering and technology. So whether it's nurturing the next generation of thinkers, innovators, or leaders, Australia's education system is a cornerstone of its success. Now let's talk about one of Australia's greatest strengths, its vibrant and diverse multicultural society. Picture this: a nation where over 200 nationalities come together, each contributing to a rich tapestry of cultures, languages, and traditions. But Australia's multiculturalism is more than just a visual or culinary experience, it's a fundamental part of the nation's identity. This spirit of inclusivity is deeply ingrained in the Australian psyche, fostering a sense of belonging and acceptance for all. From entrepreneurs bringing fresh ideas to skilled professionals contributing to various industries, Australia's multiculturalism fuels its economic engine. Australians understand that diversity is not just about tolerance, it's about embracing the richness that different cultures bring to the table. Let's turn our attention to Australia's natural endowment, a land blessed with an abundance of natural resources. Australia is a global mining superpower, a leading exporter of iron ore, coal, gold, and natural gas. Beyond mining, Australia's vast agricultural lands produce a bounty of wheat, wool, beef, and other agricultural products that feed not only its population, but also millions around the world. Its pristine coastlines, ancient rainforests, and unique wildlife attract millions of tourists each year, making tourism a significant contributor to the Australian economy. This abundance of natural resources, coupled with a commitment to sustainable management, ensures that Australia remains a land of opportunity for generations to come. Now let's talk about a fundamental pillar of Australia's success, its healthcare system. The Australian healthcare system is designed to ensure that all citizens have access to affordable and high-quality medical care, regardless of their background or financial situation. Australia boasts world-class hospitals, cutting-edge medical technology, and highly skilled healthcare professionals. Life expectancy in Australia is among the highest in the world, and rates of preventable diseases are relatively low. A healthy population is a productive population, and Australia's healthcare system plays a vital role in supporting its economic and social well-being. Now, let's shift gears and talk about a factor that often goes unnoticed, but is crucial for any nation's success: political stability. Australia enjoys a stable and democratic political system, characterized by peaceful transitions of power, respect for the rule of law, and a government that is accountable to its people. This political stability is a major drawcard for foreign investors, providing certainty and confidence in the business environment. Political stability also creates a sense of security and continuity for citizens. This commitment to democratic principles and good governance has created a stable and prosperous nation that is respected on the world stage. Now let's dive into one of Australia's most defining characteristics, its spirit of innovation. From its early days as a pioneering nation, Australia has always embraced new ideas, challenged conventional thinking, and sought innovative solutions to complex problems. Universities and research centers across the country are hotbeds of cutting-edge research, attracting some of the brightest minds in the world. From tech startups disrupting traditional industries to entrepreneurs bringing fresh ideas to the market, Australia fosters a culture that encourages risk-taking, creativity, and out-of-the-box thinking. And that's what truly sets Australia apart. Its unwavering belief in the power of innovation to shape a brighter future. Let's take a moment to talk about something that truly sets Australia apart: its enviable quality of life. This country is renowned for its perfect balance between work and leisure. Imagine a place where you can start your day with a surf before work, feeling the cool ocean breeze and the warmth of the rising sun, enjoy a barbecue with friends by the beach on a weekday evening, sharing laughter and delicious food as the sun sets over the horizon, and spend your weekends exploring stunning national parks. The laid-back attitude of the locals, the strong sense of community that brings people together, and the abundance of outdoor activities create an environment where people feel happy, healthy, and fulfilled. Whether it's hiking, cycling, or simply enjoying a picnic, there's always something to do outdoors. Australia has a strong social safety net, providing support and security to its residents, ensuring that everyone has access to essential services like healthcare, education, and social security. The healthcare system is top-notch, and the education system is world-class, offering opportunities for all. It's this unique blend of factors, the lifestyle, the environment, and the supportive systems in place, that make Australia such an attractive destination for people from all walks of life. Whether you're a local or an immigrant, the Australian lifestyle offers something for everyone, making it a truly special place to live. Now, let's embark on a visual journey through Australia's breathtaking natural beauty, a land of diverse landscapes that will leave you speechless. From the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, every corner of this vast continent offers a unique and awe-inspiring experience. From the ancient, rugged beauty of the outback, where the red earth stretches as far as the eye can see, to the vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life, Australia is a continent of contrasts. It's a place where natural wonders never cease to amaze, and where every landscape tells a story of its own. Imagine standing before the iconic Sydney Opera House, its sails glistening in the harbor as the sun dips below the horizon. The city of Sydney, with its stunning skyline and bustling harbor, offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. Or picture yourself snorkeling in the Great Barrier Reef, surrounded by a kaleidoscope of colors as fish dart in and out of coral formations. The underwater world here is like no other, a vibrant ecosystem that captivates and enchants every visitor. And it's this connection to nature, this appreciation for the great outdoors that makes Australia such a special place to live and visit. Whether you're hiking through national parks, exploring pristine beaches, or simply enjoying the serene landscapes, Australia offers endless opportunities to connect with nature and find peace in its beauty. And finally, let's talk about something that unites Australians from all walks of life: their unwavering passion for sports. This love for sports transcends age, gender, and background, bringing together a diverse population in a shared experience of excitement and camaraderie. From the roar of the crowd at a cricket match to the cheers echoing through a packed stadium during a rugby game, Australia is a nation that lives and breathes sports. The energy is palpable, and the enthusiasm is infectious, creating an atmosphere that is both electric and unifying. This passion is more than just entertainment, it's woven into the fabric of Australian society. Sports are a way of life, a tradition passed down through generations, and a cornerstone of community engagement. Families gather to watch games, friends bond over shared victories, and entire communities come together to support their teams. Whether it's cheering on their favorite local team or witnessing their nation compete on the world stage, Australians approach sports with a fervor that is contagious. The pride they feel in their athletes' achievements is immense, and the joy of celebrating a win is shared by all. So, whether it's the thrill of victory, the agony of defeat, or simply the joy of participating, sports play a central role in Australian culture, fostering a sense of community, national pride, and a healthy dose of competition. It's a powerful force that brings people together, creating lasting memories and inspiring future generations to embrace the sporting spirit. So, there you have it, the top 10 reasons why Australia is a global success powerhouse. From its thriving economy and education system to its rich cultural diversity and natural beauty, Australia truly stands out on the world stage. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. What do you think makes Australia so successful? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.